Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new tutorial video. And in this video,
we will learn how to find the block list in League of Legends. In order to find the block list in League of Legends, firstly open up your League of Legends client. After that, head to the gear button from top right hand side of your client, left click. In here, under the client section, you'll find the block list, left click on it. From here you can see all the players that you have blocked throughout the course of your gaming. From here you can choose to unblock them if you want by clicking on the cross icon on the right hand side of that player's name. If you unblock the player, you can add them to your friends list again, message with them and see their chat in game. So this is how you can easily find the block list in League of Legends.
thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.